To build an executable in HCL RTist, a C++ compiler is required. In this video I will show how to install and configure the MinGW C++ compiler, then build and launch your first executable. We will start by finding the MinGW installer. Click on the download button. Once downloaded, start installer. Follow the wizard, make sure to select the x86 64-bit architecture. Copy the destination folder path. This will be used when the installation is finished. Open Windows Explorer and paste the destination folder path. Navigate into MinGW 64 bin and copy the current path. Open Properties for my computer. Click on Advanced Settings and then Environment Variable. Locate path and click on Edit. Set cursor at the beginning of the line and paste the path and add a semicolon. Close the dialogues. Start a command prompt and type G++ -v to make sure the path configuration is working and the compiler is found. Exit the command window. Launch HCL RTist and select the workspace. Go ahead and close the welcome page. Change perspective into Uml Development. This will customize the menus and toolbars for RTist. Go to File, New Model Project. Enter a name for the project and click Next. Select Uml Capsule C++ Development Model. Click Finish. Create a capsule in the diagram and give it a name. Right-click on the capsule and select Open Structure Diagram. Create a log port. This will be used for logging messages to the console. Select Log in the list and name the port Log. Right-click in the diagram and select Open State Machine Diagram. Select Initial Transition. In the code view, enter the code. This will use the log port that was created. Double-click on the transformation configuration to open the TC editor. The workspace output path will be the name of the generated Cdt project that will contain the generated code and executable. In the Code Generation tab, set the top capsule. This is the entry point for the application. Change to the Target Configuration tab. Select the MinGW configuration. Set make type to GNU make. Change the make command to MinGW32-make. Save the model. Right-click on the TC and select Build. A Cdt project is created. This contains the generated C++ source code and also the built executable. Right-click on the TC and select Run as real-time application to start executable. The output is printed to the console. Click on the red stop button to terminate the executable. That was everything I wanted to show. Thank you for watching.